How to find your customer number. Royal Bank of Scotland. Follow these steps. Your customer number was given when you signed up for digital banking. It starts with your date of birth in DDMMYY format. For example, if you were born on March 9, 1967, it starts with 090367. After your date of birth, there are up to 4 unique numbers. These numbers identify you to the bank. The full customer number is a combination of your DOB plus unique numbers. You can find it in your welcome letter from the bank. If you forgot it, check emails, bank statements, or notes. You can also call RBS customer service for help. Keep your customer number safe for future use. Thanks for watching.